Jennifer Frost is an English former singer, television presenter and model. She was a member of girl group Precious before replacing Kerry Katona in the group Atomic Kitten from 2001 until they disbanded in April 2004. Frost returned with the group in 2005, 2006, and 2008 for one-off appearances, but chose not to return when the group were invited to appear on ITV2's The Big Reunion in 2012. Original member Katona was asked to come back, and she agreed. Frost presented makeunder show Snog Marry Avoid from 2008 to 2011. In 2011 she co-presented OK! TV alongside Jeff Brazier. Frost was born in Wallasey, Merseyside and grew up in Manchester. She loved music from an early age. Her earliest concert experience was when her father took her to a Level 42 concert at the age of 9. Sport and dancing were Frost's favorite activities, however, modeling was her dream. After attending St. Monica's High School she started to work for the BBC television doing the holiday programme and travelling around the world. Frost started her musical career in 1998 in the group Precious, who were the UK entry at the Eurovision Song Contest 1999, with the song Say It Again. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.